everybody, it's Jerry, and today I'm going to show you how to make bread pudding. It's a pretty simple dessert. The quality of the bread pudding really depends entirely on the quality of the bread that you use. So you want a good vegan, gluten-free bread that is not too dense and will absorb the liquid. I make my own bread at home, but you can find store-bought brands or bakery brands that you might also like. So just make sure to start with that, because if your bread's not good, the bread pudding's not going to be good. So let me show you how to do it. Let's get started.
So we're going to start with 6 cups of vegan gluten-free bread, which has been cut into small cubes. Place it on a baking sheet and bake it at 400 degrees for 5 minutes to toast it. Next, we're going to take a saucepan and empty out 1 can of coconut milk, 1 cup of water, a half a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And just whisk that all together and heat it up over medium heat, and we're going to bring this all to a boil. Once it all starts boiling, we're going to turn the heat down to low heat and then whisk in 1 teaspoon of agar powder. And just continue whisking and cooking that for just a couple of minutes, just so everything is dissolved. Now we're going to take our toasted bread and empty it into a bowl, and then take our coconut milk mixture and pour it on top, and just let the bread soak in the liquid for a while until it gets nice and soaked into the bread. Now we're going to take a half a cup of chopped dates and 1 teaspoon of arrowroot starch, and just mix that with your hands. You just want to get everything coated with the arrowroot starch, and then empty that into the bread mixture along with a half a cup of chopped pecans. Mix everything together, and then we're going to turn it all into a 8 by 8 inch baking dish. And we're going to bake this at 350 degrees for about 40 to 45 minutes. And there we have our baked bread pudding. And now we're just going to make the rum sauce topping for it. So we're going to take 1 cup of vegan milk, a 1/4 cup of sugar, about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And just mix that all together and heat that up over medium heat just to bring it to a simmer. And then we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of arrowroot starch and whisk that in, and just continue whisking until it's all dissolved and just starts to thicken a little bit. And then we're going to add in, then we can turn the heat off first and then add in 1 tablespoon of rum. And just mix that together and let it cool a little bit, and it's ready to pour over the bread pudding.
Thanks everybody for watching. Please tune in next time for some more great recipes. Always like and subscribe to the channel, and put any comments for recipes you'd like to see in future episodes. I'll see you next time.